Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to make a professional thumbnail for YouTube for free. Have you ever been to a bookstore? What is the first thing that makes you pick up a book? If you guess the book cover, you are absolutely right. A YouTube thumbnail is just like a book cover for your video. It is the first thing that people notice before deciding whether they click on your video or just scroll over without noticing it. In fact, YouTube reports that 90% of the best performing videos on YouTube have custom thumbnails. So, if you have still not started using custom thumbnails on your video, you are missing out on a great opportunity to get traffic to your YouTube video. In this tutorial, I will cover everything you should know to get started with custom thumbnails. First, you have to go on canva.com. And here you can upload whatever picture you want for your background. First go to Uploads, then go to Upload Media and choose device or Facebook or wherever your picture is. Now you have to click left on your picture and drag it here and place it. We can add some elements, a sticker or whatever you want. The next step is adding text. So click on text, then choose the style that you like. I will choose this one. You can drag it like we did with the background, or you can click on it. You can make it bigger or smaller. I will make it smaller. Place it where you want by clicking on it and then move it. And now you write your title. You can rotate it as well, change your text color. Okay guys, so this came out after just 2 minutes of work. Now you just have to press the download button and your thumbnail is ready for YouTube. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video and please like and subscribe if you aren't already, and comment down below to motivate us and make more videos. Bye bye!